Happy now. All is now is a gift to be in the present. First day signing back in here, putting out my perception into the cloud of collective. You're now tuning into the mind of an Algenib moon and Horus, which has the 10th house in the sky. Okay, so this is going to be my continuation, not continuation. This video I'm bringing right now is divine, okay, from spirit. Okay, so this message I want to bring, right, is just going to help you have an overstanding with me a lot easier in my videos. Okay, so when I make these videos and I say, oh, you're not tuning into the mind of an Algenib moon, some people might be, confused a bit there. Okay, so I want to, basically, make it a lot simple. Okay, because I say simplicity is key. Okay, so I could say, hey, you're now tuning into the mind of an Aries moon, okay? But since I have that Virgo North node in my first house, that is not as precise as I would like it to be, okay? So in this video, I will be doing a little bit of astronomy, okay? So in this video, I'll be showing you how, I do a bit of astronomy. Astronomy is left brain. Astrology is right brain. Astronomy is more, calculated, more detailed. But I know how to mix the two type shit. Okay? So, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay? So, yeah, like I said, I could say I'm an Aries moon, I am an Aries moon. I could say you're tuning into the mind of an Aries moon, but like I said, that's not precise. And when you say you is an Aries, you is a Taurus, you is a Gemini, you is a Cancer, you are saying you are a whole constellation. Aries is born from the first house. So when you say you is Aries, you are basically saying I am a cardinal fire sign that is being ruled by Mars or uses Mars, depending on the spirit utilizing the energy. Okay, if you know you're spiritually inclined being like me, using these planets like your bitch. Okay, so Aries, right? So let me show you how I do it. So look here, look at these. You see these numbers? These are known as deacons. These are known as deacons. Okay? So, you see how they divide the sky. These are just spaces in the sky. Okay? Spaces in the sky. Let's start from here. This is 10 degrees. 10 degrees, 10 degrees. So, you, like I say, if you say you're an Aries, you're saying you are a first house person. I'm a first house person. Okay? And I get everything that comes with this house. I get Mars. Okay? It's cardinal. It initiates the zodiac wheel. Cardinal just means initiator. Initiates the zodiac wheel. Okay? So, now let's look at these deacons. Each house is 30 degrees. Okay? First, these deacons divide these houses in 10 degrees. So 10 degrees here, 10 degrees here, and 10 degrees. 10, what's 10 plus 20? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. That's how you can tell. So that's 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees with these deacons. And you can see the line separating them. Okay? So each deacon, a constellation, resides in there. So this first deacon, the constellation that resides in here, would be Cetus. Cetus constellation. 10 degrees here. Pegasus. No, not Pegasus. Andromeda. In this 10 degrees. Pegasus. In this 10 degrees. And my Algenib moon resides in that Pegasus constellation. So if you use an app called Sky Map, like I do, okay, I actually look up in the sky, okay, to look at stargazing. So I do stargaze with my eye. I do take pictures of the sky. Okay, so when you look in this specific, this is where the Pegasus constellation would be, and Algenib is a specific star in that Pegasus constellation. So if you actually find the Pegasus constellation with your device, and it'll be on the left hand side of the Pegasus constellation, right? And if you look at the Pegasus with the wings, and you look, it's actually the furthest star. Okay, so the Pegasus has the wings, and it's got the furthest star, and you could say this goes hand in hand with those angel wings as well, So the stars don't lie. Men lie, women lie, but the stars don't. Okay, so this specific, okay, so like I said, since I got that Virgo North node in that first house, I like to be precise in where I'm coming from. So when I say you're tuning into the mind of an Algenib moon, that my moon on an astronomical level conjuncts the Pegasus. It's in that Pegasus constellation, and Algenib is, conjuncts, my moon. That's where it's coming from, to be on the astronomical level. You could say astronomy is more left brain, astrology is more right brain. Okay, so now let me show you how we get the 360, right? So let's do the math. I've just told you each house is 30 degrees. So let's do the math. I already did the math. What's 30 times 12? 360. Okay? 30 times 12 is 360. So I'm just doing math, man. I'm just doing simple math. Simple math. They taught us all this shit in school, man. So yeah, no rocket science. Simplicity is key. First hit signing out. Catch you next now.